leg, but you can't kiss it too hard, so don't crack it. Craziest thing happened today. I got ready, went to town, went to Tyler daycare, ready to drop him off, only to find out that Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is, yes baby, yes, it is bright and early morning, and it's looking not so bad outside today. He's counting, of course. I am in the kitchen making Tyler breakfast. I'm making him, yes Tyler, I'm making him some porridge because, yes Ty, yes, do that one. I'm making this little Jamaican boy some porridge because he woke up this morning, and as I went to his room, he said, Mama, let's go have porridge. I didn't plan on making him any porridge this morning, but since that's what he asked for, yes Ty, yes, porridge coming. Since that is what he asked for, Mama can't say, oh Mama have things to do, I can't make you porridge. So Mama, look at him. Mama, you put yes, I am going to put the porridge in there for you, okay? Okay. I can't tell him that Mama have things to do. I'm not gonna make him the porridge. So porridge is ready. Mama. Yes, Stella. Yes, Mama going to put the porridge in here. Go and sit. Mama going to throw the porridge for you now, okay? Yes. Porridge. Yes, Stella porridge. Can you say morning, Faves? Morning, Faves. I'm going to have my porridge. I am a porridge. Alright, go and sit. Mama coming with the porridge, okay? No, it's hot. Mama going to throw it out for you. Go, say show. Go on. Mama coming. So I'm going to throw out his porridge right now and go and feed him because it's too hot. Wait. Mama can't give you a hug yet. Mama have to throw out your porridge. So I make enough so he can have some for tomorrow morning. But he's so ready for his porridge. Yes, it's Stella porridge. Yeah, say show. No. This one. Get your spoon. Look for your spoon. You see your spoon? Is it Stella's spoon? Yes, take it. Go and sit. Mama coming. Go, Mama coming. Mama coming. Y'all, he's so ready for his porridge. Porridge. Is officially finished and I'm tired. I got 45 minutes to use this morning and I used that 45 minutes and get something in. So that's done, and now I'm about to go and make me some green juice and then get some fresh and then make breakfast and be well on my way with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever it is that you are doing today. What do you want to show the faves? And show them your car? Papa is gone to work.
Papa, likod mataas.
Yeah, Papa take the bus to work this morning. And you're going to take the bus to school later. Yeah. You guys, as usual, I have a lot of things to do before I head out on the road today. So without further ado, just as always, stay positive, stay motivated, stay blessed. That's all you need to do, and you'll have an amazing day. I promise you, you can't later. Anyway, guys, I'm going to look up, pay my silly child some attention who decided to make crocodile bite me, and then I am going to get my day going. You guys, everything is going down in my kitchen this morning. I have plantains going over there for breakfast, which I'm going to make some eggs after that. I have steamed veg, which I just finished cooking here. And in this one, I am making some sweet potatoes and pumpkin for Tyler and Babe. Finished cook early, extra early today because I already have some stewed chicken in the fridge from yesterday, which is going to go with these for dinner. So dinner is basically finished cooking early today. Okay, so I can utilize my time to do something else. My little nugget is done for a nap, and it is lunchtime for me before I head out on the road. I have 30 minutes to eat, finish getting ready, get my hair done, and pick up Tyler, get him dressed, and go and catch the bus for lunch today. I make my absolute favorite lunch, and if you guys know me by now, then you guys would know what that will be. Comment down below and guess and tell me what I'm having for lunch today. Let's see how much you guys know me. If you guys guess salmon and lettuce, avocado, tomato, yes girl, you're right. That's my absolute favorite go-to lunch. That's my absolute favorite go-to lunch. I love having this. It makes me full. It's so yummy. Sometimes I'll add corn and stuff to it, but your girl ain't got time for that today. So this is lunch, and I'm gonna grab real quick and then go get dressed and be well on my way. I'm talking low because Tyler is sleeping. Real quick before I go, I want to give a shout out to a fellow Jamaican YouTuber that they live in the USA. I was watching a video that they post on their channel that they were talking about being YouTube parents, being parents of YouTube. Really like their videos, and I think that the content that they put out, you guys will have really like it. Their channel name is MD Nefty TV, and I'll put the link down below in the description box. So go ahead and support another fellow YouTuber, and of course another fellow Jamaican. Both of them are Jamaican, so go ahead and tell them that you are coming from the Delaveau. Tell them that Melissa sent you. Go ahead and support the fam. Love you guys. They also have a sweet little baby girl which I'm in love with by the name of Genesis. She's adorable. You guys will love her just as much as you guys love Tyler. So go ahead and subscribe and support MD Nefty TV. Of course, the link will be down below in the comment section and in the description box. Y'all, the craziest thing happened today. I got ready, went to town, went to Tyler daycare, ready to drop him off, only to find out that Tyler wasn't registered for school this week. I don't know if we told you guys that Tyler daycare is that we have to register him for the days that he'll be going to daycare, because he only go the daycare is a daycare that only keep kids half of each day. So it's either we're going to carry him the first part of the day or the last part of the day. We have to book his days like 2 weeks in advance to make sure that he have his spot. So today when we go, we didn't realize that we didn't, well, Babe didn't realize that he didn't book this week days for Tyler. So when we reached there, when I got there, the lady told me that Tyler wasn't registered for today. So she asked me to stay to see if somebody would not show up so Tyler could get their space. But everybody showed up, so the class was full. And they said they can't take him. So he's home. He's back home. What is that? And my heart was really broken because he started... Yeah. Delaveau. He started crying when he realized that he wasn't going to go inside his class, and he said, "Mama, school, Mama, school." He said, "Mama, I am sad. I am sad." I had to talk to him and I had to let him see that I am not too weak. You're sad that you didn't get to go to school? Hmm? You're sad that you didn't get to go to school? It's okay, you go to school on Wednesday, okay? He was so sad, and when I was walking away from the school, he said, "Mama, this way, that way, school, school." He said, "Mama, I'm sad, sad, Mama, sad." And my heart was so broken. I wanted to cry, but I said, he can't be crying and I'm crying. So I tried to be strong and I said, "Listen, it's just one of those things. It happened, but I hope it doesn't happen again." He was really sad. You're sad that you didn't get to go to school today? He was crying tears, literally tears running down his eyes. Yes, baby.
Grapes.
Grapes, please, Mama. That's what you asked for it?
Please, Mama.
You want grapes?
Grapes.
Alright, let's go get grapes. Grapes not in the bag, grapes in the kitchen. Yes. So baby's actually home. Babe leave the office and come home to stay with him because that's our only choice while I head to work. So I'm going to give this boy some grapes and then head to work.
Hi guys, like Babe said, it was a misunderstanding today. So I ended up finish at home earlier than expected. So than to stay at home and do nothing, I just take what Babe always say: don't give up, work out. So I just finished too and I'm dead. Can't talk much. So yeah, I hope you all having a wonderful days. So I'm here. I'm gonna do some little abs. Gonna find the strength to do some little abs. Bonjour Tyler.
Bonjour.
Tu dis bonjour?
Bonjour.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait Tyler? Tyler? Regarde papa. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
On fait des puzzles.
Tu fais des puzzles?
Regarde, c'est beau sur Ryder.
C'est Ryder? C'est qui Ryder?
C'est beau sur Ryder.
Tu montres à papa la photo? Montre la photo. Oui, ça c'est Ryder.
Hey guys, this man is such a clown. Ooh, the battery's gonna die.
Yes, like this since a long time.
So why did it change it?
Because it didn't cut on me.
You guys, we've been back. I have been back. Put my little nugget to bed. Oh, he didn't tell you guys bye, but yeah, he's off to bed. And we're here going to end the vlog, and tonight we're not going to end the vlog with any Jamaican, well, we are going to edit with a Jamaican expression, but it's going to be dedicated to the bobsled team. So I have my egg in my hand. So me and Babe going to kiss the egg for good luck. Babe, kiss the egg, but you can't kiss it too hard, so don't crack it. We have to kiss it together.
That's a lucky egg.
Yes, this is a lucky egg for a bobsled team. But you have to say the bobsled slogan. So say, feel the rhythm. Feel the rhythm.
Feel the rhythm.
Feel the rhyme.
Feel the rhyme.
Get on up.
Get on up.
It's bobsled time.
It's bobsled time.
So say, feel the rhythm.
Feel
the rhyme.
Feel the rhyme.
Get on up. It's bobsled time.
Bobsled time.
And we kiss the lucky egg tomorrow tea. Okay, you guys. So Anyway, you guys, so all of you guys should kiss an egg for luck to the Jamaican team. And if you're wondering why we're kissing the egg, is because if you guys haven't watched a movie called Cool Runnings, you guys should definitely go and watch Cool Runnings and know the history behind Jamaica bobsled. So you'll understand what the egg is for. Anyway, you guys, feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up, it's bobsled time. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch me and keep up with the Bam Bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you kiss the egg. Kiss the egg. And if you guys kiss the egg, make sure you post it on social media and tag me on Instagram, and go on Instagram to see me and babe picture kissing the egg. The link is down below in the description box. Bye guys.
Bye.